guys, welcome to Glittering Arc. This is Gunjan. I hope all of you are at home, safe, and staying positive. As I feel staying positive is the only solution in this scenario of lockdown. Whenever I talk to my friends or clients who were so positive 3 months back, now they sound concerned, uncertain, and stressed. Especially whenever I think about the brides and grooms who were planning their wedding 3 months back, their dates were finalized, their dresses were ready, the menu was fixed. Now they don't have a date because everything is postponed. They don't even know if they're planning to get married this year or next year because the scenario has changed drastically. They don't know if they will have their relatives there present during their wedding or they're going to join virtually. They don't know if their favorite relative, maybe their grandparents or their mosi or their bua, are going to be present during their wedding or not. So there is lot of uncertainty. There is lot of question that we all have in our mind. We all have so many unanswered questions within us due to the scenario that we are in today. So we thought, why not have a guest who can answer some of these questions through her angel card of reading. So today we have Chandini, who is an angel card reader, and she's going to take us through what angel card reading is all about. And all of you who are watching this video, if you have any questions or any concerns or anything that is troubling you, please reach out to her. She will definitely help you in answering all your queries. So let's hear what Chandini has to say about angel card reading.
Hey guys, this is Chandni Gurnani here. I'm a card reader and an alternative healer, also into crystals and meditations. I love hearing people out, and I have been in this profession for the last 6 years now, and I truly believe in making all my clients and everyone I meet to realize that every situation in life has a solution. So I give solutions through the medium of the cards that I use. One of the deck that I use is this. It's the healing deck. There are 6 others. There are actually many others like this, and every deck is different for different kind of questions. So that's exactly how it works. And coming to what I do, so oracle readings are mainly positive readings for getting solutions. Like for example, let's take marriage. Okay, like a lot of people have so many questions, common questions actually, like, is this partner right for me, or should I go for this person or not? How is life going to be with this person ahead? And if someone likes someone and then the family is against it, how do they deal with that? So a lot of stuff. I have come across so many questions like that, like what do I do next, or how do I make my marriage better, or what can be done in order to make things right or meet a certain soulmate or a person. And sometimes people also want to know in their marriage whoever they are with, is that person their karmic relationship soulmate, or who is it? So a lot of these questions are answered and solutions are definitely given. So cards are one medium, yes. I also prescribe crystals or healing sessions to make things better or anything like that. But when it comes to predictions, they are mostly very true, and all that's required from the client's perspective is their faith and their belief into all this, and things actually work out. Like, cards are magical just the way they work, and I've had so many clients come back to me and say that readings are working, and we want to know more about the situation, or we really want to learn how this is done, or just gain more knowledge on how cards work basically. So coming to that, I'd always say that it's a thrill, it's a beautiful journey on once you start getting your answers. It's like energy is coming from the divine in the form of angels, and angels giving you your answers. So I personally feel one must always try to get a reading done. Some people are really scared before they can read for themselves or for their partners or anything, because they feel like, what if something negative comes about? But the beauty of these oracle cards are such that they always tend to give you solutions and not make you feel like things will not work out, because for everything, for every question, there is a solution for sure. So I personally feel that you should never be scared before a reading. Just come in with a positive mind and take back positive answers. That's exactly what I tell all my clients. And I love reading. I love hearing people out. I enjoy giving out solutions. I enjoy just talking to people and knowing, how they are dealing with situations in life or anything. So I do cards, I prescribe crystals, like I told you all. I even do personalized meditations, like certain people just want meditations to, get rid of depression, or some people just want it to like relax their mind, calm their mind. So I do that as well. And I feel like everyone must give this a shot, or like, considering this page also, a lot of people have so many questions, a lot of people have so many thoughts. So I just say that you could always give it a try. And this is a short video, but I'd love to interact more with you guys in the comment section below. And I also have my my Instagram page where I would love to connect with you all. So please do hit me up. My page's link is down in the bio. Please do follow, like, and share. Also feel free to DM for any kind of readings, and I'm more than happy to help to even let you all know how things work or share my knowledge on the same. So thank you guys, thank you for listening to me, and hope to see you all on my page. Also please do follow Glittering Arc, and it's beautiful. You will get to see a lot of nice videos. And yeah, thank you so much. Angel blessings. Good day, guys.
I hope all of you like this video, and I hope this is useful for all of you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, I'll be sharing all useful links in the description box. If you have any questions, any suggestions, please do mention that in the comment box. So see you again on Saturday. Ta-da!